Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Basically this is the second chapter of Word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. I will produce A grade for you in your courses. So at start of the instruction you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but this is just giving you an idea about the assignment. So once you will go through this project description, you will understand the assignment and you will get an idea about the assignment. So just go through this project description. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project or questions to solve to complete this project. So we are supposed to solve 17 to 18 questions to get this assignment ready for the submission. So in this video I will be doing those steps. I will solve all the questions and you are just supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's start with step number 1. Start Word. Download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. So this is the Word document that we are going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions to this Word document and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this file. So I have already downloaded this and you can download this from your course dashboard or Pearson dashboard. So step number 1 is just saying that download and open this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So now let's move to step number 2. Select Underwater Astronaut Training in the first body paragraph and bold it. Okay. Select Thermal Design in the first body paragraph and bold it. So first we are supposed to select Underwater Astronaut Trainer. So select this one. Okay. In the first body paragraph, then go to the Home tab and apply bold formatting to this by clicking this B. Then go to Thermal Design Challenge at the end of the first body paragraph. So select this one. Again go to the Home tab and apply bold formatting to this. So we were supposed to apply the bold formatting to the Underwater Astronaut Trainer and then we were supposed to bold the Thermal Design Challenge. Okay. Then it is saying select all the text from Space Academy, the first heading on a line by itself on page 1. Through the Pack Your Bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with a font size of 14. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. So first we are supposed to select the Space Academy heading up to Pack Your Bags here. Okay. So after selecting this, so we have selected all the text, then go to the font style and from here we are supposed to apply the Cambria. Okay, this one. Then and font size of 14. So now change the font size, go to the home tab and change the font size to 14 here. Okay, now we are supposed to apply the justify alignment to this. So go to home tab, in paragraph setting, click justify. So we have justified all of the text, so click anywhere to unselect this text. So that is all about step number 2. So now let's move to step number 3. Select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 for the selected paragraph. So in Space Academy section, we are supposed to select all of these bulleted activities. So select these bulleted activities, then go to the home tab, then in paragraph setting, change the line spacing by clicking this arrow to 1.15, this one. Then we are supposed to go to paragraph setting by clicking this arrow, go to home tab, then click this arrow, and we are supposed to change the paragraph spacing before and after to 0. So before spacing is 0 and after spacing we are supposed to make it 0. Okay, click OK. So that is all about step number 3, where we were supposed to change the spacing between the bulleted activities to 1.15 and the paragraph spacing before and after to 0. So that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So we have completed 3 steps for this assignment so far. Now let's do step number 4. Use the format painter to copy the format of bulleted items in the Space Academy section to bulleted items in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. So now you can see the Space Camp section has also bulleted activities, and also the Adult Space Academy has also bulleted activities. So we are supposed to format these bulleted activities just like these bulleted activities in the Space Academy section. So we will select these bulleted activities and then go to the home tab and click format painter. Once you will click on this brush, that means you are going to paint the same formatting to other items. So just click, go to home tab. After selecting this, go to home tab and click this brush. Okay. Now we are supposed to apply this, start from here and apply this to these activities. Okay. Now again click on brush and same apply to these activities as well. Okay. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to apply the same formatting. So I have applied the same formatting to those activities as well. Now let's do step number 5. Select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Apply numbering, selecting numbering that are followed by a period. Decrease the indent so that the item begin at the left margins. So go to end of the document. So now we are supposed to select these 3 paragraphs, starting with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. So after selecting this, just go to the home tab, and now we are supposed to give numbering to this, and we will select numbering followed by number followed by a period, that is the number alignment left option. So select this one. So we have applied numbering to these 3 paragraphs. Now we are supposed to decrease the indent. So now in paragraph setting on home tab, in paragraph setting you can see the decrease indent and the increase indent. we are supposed to decrease the indent so that this paragraph begin at left margin. So click on that. So that is all about step number 5 of this assignment, where we were supposed to give the numbering to those 3 paragraphs, and then we were supposed to decrease the indent so that we can begin those paragraphs at left margin. Now let's do step number 6. Display ruler. Click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document. Press enter, set a left tab at 1 and right tab at 6. Ensure that the right tab includes a dash letter option 3. Ensure that the font is 14 points Cambria. Okay. This is the blank paragraph before this border text, and we are supposed to press enter. Okay. So after pressing the enter, we are supposed to set the tabs. So I have pressed enter. Now go to the home tab. Then in paragraph section you can see this arrow for paragraph setting. Click on that. Now click tabs. So we are supposed to set left tab at 1 and right tab at 6. So first type 1 and from alignment select left, because we are going to set the left tab. So select left and from ladder select none and click set. So we have set the left tab. Now we are going to set the right tab at 6. So now type 6. From alignment select right, because we are going to set the right tab. So after typing, tab position should be 6. From the alignment select right, and from the ladder we are supposed to select option 3, this one, because it is mentioned in the instruction that we are supposed to select option 3. Click OK. Now it is saying ensure that the font is 14 points Cambria. Now we will go to font style and we will select Cambria here, and from the font size we will select 14 points. Okay, and that is all about step number 6 of this assignment. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is saying press tab and enter space adventure. So first we are supposed to press the tab and we are supposed to type space adventure. Okay, press tab and type space adventure. Again we are supposed to press the tab and we are supposed to type Davidson space center. Press the tab and type Davidson space center. Okay, Davidson space center. Okay, now drag the 6th tab back to 5.5 on the ruler, bold the tabled line of the text. So now you can see that we have right tab at 6. This is showing right tab. So you can drag it to 5.5. This is 5.5. Okay, between 5 and 6 at this middle you can see 5.5. So we are supposed to drag the 6th right tab to 5.5, this one. Now we will select this tabled line and we are supposed to apply the bold formatting. So go to home tab and from here select bold. And that is all about step number 7. Now let's do step number 8. Select the space camp prom heading at the top of the document inside word art, choosing fill gray, accent color 3, sharp bevel. So select the text space camp prom, this one. Now we are supposed to insert word art. choosing fill gray, accent color 3, sharp bevel. So go to insert tab, go to word art, this one fill gray, accent color 3, sharp bevel. So this is the word art style that we are supposed to select. So select this one. So we have inserted the word art style. So I have solved. So now let me do one more step for you, that is step number 9. Noticing position the insertion point at the end of the third bullet item near the top of page 2. This one. We are supposed to insert the insertion point here. Noticing press enter, remove the bullet from the new line. So now we are supposed to press the enter. You can see that it inserted a new bullet, but we are supposed to remove this bullet. So go to style and from here you can click on normal. Okay. Or you can click here as well on the bullet, okay, in the paragraph. Noticing insert smart art, selecting circle arrow process from the process group. So now here we are supposed to insert smart art using the circle arrow process. So go to insert tab, click smart art. So now we are supposed to insert the circle arrow process. So we will go to process and from here we are supposed to insert this one, that is circle arrow process. So this is the smart art that we are supposed to insert. So click OK. So we have inserted the smart art. Okay. Noticing enter Space Academy in the top text. Here we are supposed to insert Space Academy. Then enter Space Camp in the middle section. Space Camp here. Okay. Then Adult Space Academy in the lower. Here Adult Space Academy here. So we were supposed to insert the smart art. Then we were supposed to enter the 3 texts in the upper, middle and lower the shapes. Okay, so that is all about step number 9. So in this video, sorry, 1 second. Okay, in this video I have solved nine steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. So once you will solve the remaining steps, then you will get a final version of the assignment like this. This is the final version of this assignment after completing the remaining steps. Once you will solve the remaining steps, then you will get a final version of the assignment like this. So I have done this assignment hundreds of the times for many students, but if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. I will produce A grade for you in your courses. So in this video I solved 9 steps. That is half of the assignment I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution.